Do is cut out an 8 or 9 inch square, cut it down the center, then let's pretend that this will be the center. You're going to line up your edges, place your pins perpendicular to the edge, and stitch. Make sure you back stitch at the beginning at the end, but stitch a 1/2 inch away from this. So you're going to create a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Okay? Then open that out. Take it to an iron and press it down so that the entire seam looks like this little piece right here. Then you're going to take your piece and lay it so that the seam is facing up, just like this. Take your zipper, face it away from you so it's facing down, and center it on the seam, pinning one side. Once you've pinned that side, flip it over. You can check a couple of ways. You can check just using your fingernail in the groove of where you stitched to see if you can feel the zipper all the way down. You can also turn it and pull it back, folding your seam in half. And if your seam line is bisecting the zipper connection right in half, then you're in good shape. Fold it back down, and you'll pin the top. You're going to be starting to stitch on the left-hand side of the zipper. So on the left-hand side of the zipper, then you will start here, back stitch to the top, and stitch down, pulling your pins as you go. You will have also pinned this side. I'm sorry, someone asked me a question, so I skipped ahead. Okay. On this side, you'll put your pins going this direction, so the pointy part is facing away from you in both directions that you're sewing, because it's going to go through the machine like this. When you get to the end of the zipper, it's going to turn this way, and then it'll turn again and go this way. So in this direction, the pins are facing this way. In this direction, the pins are facing this way. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And then you just make sure that the flat edge of the presser foot, and the presser foot that you're going to use looks like that. And it's going to sit right here up against the head of the zipper. As you can see, it fits exactly right where that stitching line was. And it's just going to sit and push up against the zipper all the way down. You're going to find out where that end piece is. There's little metal teeth that connect the bottom of the zipper on the inside. You can give yourself a little mark on the outside of the zipper, or you can put a little pin right there if you want. And you're going to stitch down to there, leave the needle in, raise your presser foot up, rotate it, put your presser foot down, stitch to the other side, keep your needle down, lift your presser foot up, rotate it, put your presser foot down, and continue on stitching up the other side, pulling pins as you go, and you're done.
All right.
Then the last thing you do is take a seam ripper and carefully open up your seam, exposing the zipper. Okay?
All right.
Cool.
Nice.
All right, that's number